Today we are going to share some cooking methods that can be implemented when using chamber vacuum pouches. Now there's 3 methods that are used to cook in our chamber vacuum pouches. Number 1, boiling, 2, microwaving, and lastly, sous vide cooking. These 3 methods provide a simple and efficient way to cook at home or to provide your customers using the chamber vacuum pouches. You may have been informed that each method is safe to utilize as long as you follow specific protocols. Yet, a difference exists between saying you can microwave food in chamber vacuum pouches and saying it is safe to microwave food in chamber pouches. Today we will dive into the 3 methods of cooking and why JVR Industries cautions away from believing that each method of cooking is entirely safe. Our chamber vacuum pouches are BPA-free. BPA, or bisphenol A, is a chemical used for certain plastics in industrial manufacturing. Now BPA is safe at very low levels according to the FDA. Thankfully, our VacPouch line is completely free of bisphenol A. Having a BPA-free pouch gives our customers that extra level of comfort that they are not consuming industrial chemicals at any level. You might be asking yourself, what does this mean for cooking? Well, our vacuum pouches include materials such as polyethylene and nylon that allow them to withstand temperatures much higher before they change state or even soften. Although this is the case, carefully manufactured packaging products from any company do not guarantee complete safety from plastics entering your food during microwaving. We are highly aware of the precautions taken in manufacturing to ensure your safety. However, we find not one company maintains certainty of safety even if the chances are minimal. Now, the methods of cooking in a vacuum pouch, such as our VacPouch brand, are boiling, microwaving, and sous vide. Boiling is a well-known method of cooking that involves placing vacuum-sealed food in boiling water. This method is simple and efficient due to the high temperature of the water. The materials within the pouches are made to withstand boiling temperatures for roughly 20 minutes before the possibility of plastics contaminating the food. Now, JVR suggests that you cook your food in a pouch in boiling water for up to 5 minutes and no longer. Many customers ask about the safety of microwaving food in a vacuum pouch. Some companies suggest poking a hole or cutting a corner before the microwaving the product to avoid steam buildup or the possibility of the pouch bursting. I'm going to quickly cover why JVR suggests not cutting those corners. Cutting the corner off a pouch won't ensure that the product does not reach the plastic melting point. The only reason others advise cutting the corner is so that the bag does not expand and break. This recommendation has nothing to do with making it automatically safer, even if it may avoid bursting the pouch. JVR Industries prefers to acknowledge the gray area in this method. The possibility of harmful plastics entering your food during microwaving, even if the packaging is durable, is simply not guaranteed. So let's cover sous vide cooking. Sous vide is a prestigious French method of cooking that is gaining popularity in professional kitchens as well as home cooking, and you are going to see why. Sous vide is a simple two-step process to cook your meat professionally. First, you use a chamber vacuum sealer to vacuum seal your meat product in a vacuum pouch. This removes the air from the bag and creates an airtight seal. Then you immerse the product in a water bath or a pot of water heated to a precise low temperature, typically under 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The amount of time you immerse in the meat in the low temperature water depends on the product. To determine specific recommendations for water temperature and cooking times to reach the desired doneness for your product, visit the link in the description below. Our chamber vacuum pouches contain mechanical properties to withstand high temperatures. Although this is the case, sous vide provides an alternative cooking method that limits the temperatures needed, typically 100 degrees and below. Therefore, you can ensure safety from contamination when enjoying your meal. Preserve the desired flavor, moisture, and nutrients exceptionally. Douse the meat in seasonings or sauces, and the flavor will be preserved to create a delightful surprise of the perfect steak you've always imagined. Sous vide cooking also allows even cooking. Vacuum sealing ensures that hot water is in direct contact with every millimeter of surface area to provide precise and controlled cooking for consistent results. It's meal planning made easy. Since the majority of the sous vide process involves slow cooking in water over time, minimal time is needed to be set aside for hands-on prep of the perfect steak. If that isn't enough, the best part is this process can be accomplished right from your countertop if the right supplies are provided. No more need to pay extra to get the perfect steak at a restaurant when you can acquire equivalent results in your kitchen at a lower cost. Now, the tools needed to seal chamber vacuum pouches. Let's cover that subject. To utilize these methods, you will need a chamber vacuum sealer to vacuum seal bags that package the desired products. JVR Industries carries top-notch chamber vacuum sealers such as the VAC 100 or the VAC 110 that are more than fit to produce the results you need to efficiently and effectively seal your products. We stand out from our competitors as we have specialized in the vacuum sealing industry since 1972. That is over 50 years of experience. Some companies may suggest alternative external vacuum sealers with an edge and suction, but these cannot seal smooth textured chamber pouches. Plus, a chamber vacuum sealer provides the option to package liquids, which is not provided by an external edge suction vacuum sealer. Well guys, we hope you found this video extremely informative and helpful. If you like the content you're seeing like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of future videos once released. Thanks again for watching JVR Industries on YouTube. We will see you guys next time.